Hey everybody, it's Thomas with Get Out Arizona, and you're watching another Toolbox Topic Quick Tip with Hermione Granger. Hermione, go!
Hey everybody, so I've had to take my wheel out in the field somewhere, maybe I had to fix a flat. This is how you put a wheel back in without a mechanic stand for a disc brake quick release rear wheel. Check it out. So I'll hold my bike up first. And this is always going to be a little cumbersome. This is always sucky. We never like doing this, especially by ourselves. But I got my bike in one hand and I got my wheel in the other hand. Again, if you remember, I like to hold it up with my knees. And now what I'm going to do is just kind of line this guy up. And if you remember also, we ended up, when we removed it, with the chain on the highest cog. So I'm going to start by putting the chain back on the highest cog, give myself a little bit of room with that derailleur for it to drop down. I'm stabilizing with my knees, and now I'm looking at both the alignment of the axle with the dropouts as well as the rotor with the caliper. And looking from the top, give myself a little room, drops right in. Coming back onto this side, I have my cam lever to tighten up. So cam lever is usually about halfway up where you see the resistance. See, it's all floppy there, and now my resistance is there. That usually gives you a nice, tight, secure fitting on the quick release. Go ahead and tighten that up. Give the wheel a spin. Make sure everything's lined up and free spinning, and then you're back out on the road.
Does it always work that easy?
It don't always work out that easy.